What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding 5874, a 2014 New Flyer XN40. And today I am riding on the 177, and I am taking this bus from Raymond Avenue and Green Street all the way to Jet Propulsion Laboratory in LACMTA, Flintridge. And yes, I'll be filming through the freeway as the bus goes. The next stop is Raymond Avenue and Union Street. Next stop is Raymond Avenue and Holly Street.
Connection to the Metro Railway, followed by Walmart and Brings.
This is a contractor unit operated by TransDev in Chinatown in Los Angeles. Again, I'm taking the 177 to Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Now turning left on Walnut Street. The next stop is Walnut Street and Raymond Avenue. Next stop is Walnut Street and Fair Oaks Avenue.
Approaching Walnut and Fair Oaks.
Next stop is Walnut Street and Corson Street. After this, we're moving on to the freeway.
Walnut and Corson.
Okay, moving on. Next stop is Photo Boulevard and Crown Avenue. And we're now entering the 210 freeway. Now turning right to enter the 210 freeway, and we'll be exiting the freeway to Photo Boulevard. We're going to be on the Interstate 210, and we're going to exit the freeway for Photo Boulevard. As soon as we're on the freeway, we'll be entering LACMTA, Flintridge. This is going to be my first time riding the bus outside of Pasadena at nighttime. And yes, it's getting late, but the show must go on. We are now entering the city of La Cañada, Flintridge. We are now exiting the freeway, and we are going to turn right on Photo Boulevard.
Approaching Foothill and Crown. Stop requested. Please use rear exit. Rear safety, watch your step when exiting the bus.
Now turning right on Photo Boulevard in La Cañada, Flintridge. Next stop is Oak Grove Drive and Photo Boulevard, and that's a stop for La Cañada High School. And there's also a stop for the Jajamoga Watershed Park.
Approaching Oak Grove and Foothill.
Now turning left on Oak Grove Drive. The last stop is Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and that's it. That is a ride on 5874
Approaching jet propulsion ladder.
And yeah, this is 5874, a 2014 New Flare XN40. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.